Hi, what is your name?
My name,
What is your name? Karson.
Karson.
My name is Karson.
My name is Karson.
Alright, how old are you? 6 years old? No. 7? 8? Or 9? I'm 9 years old.
I'm 9 years old.
Karson, what can you do? I can dance. Say again. I can dance.
I can dance.
Very good. What are these? What are there?
What?
There are. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 small plants.
3 more land.
Who is he?
Grandpa.
Grandpa. What is this? This is a shirt. Shirt.
Shirt.
What are they?
A cow.
They're 2 cows.
There are 2 cows.
Let's describe the monster here. Look at the monster. Does it look pretty or ugly? It looks ugly. Count the noses. 1,
2, 3,
yes. How many noses?
3.
3 noses.
3 noses.
How many mouths?
1. It's 1.
It's got 1 mouth.
It's got 1 mouth.
How many arms and hands? Arms and hands.
On the head.
Yeah, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
Yes. It's got 6 arms. 6 arms. Again, 6
6 arms.
and